Shadow on the beat.
So we're back again with another episode of Fast Car Checks. Today, it's a spontaneous one. I'll be honest with you, it's a spontaneous one. We're getting to that one. I'm with the owner now. We're still in Portsmouth, so if you haven't watched the other video, you'll know why we're in Portsmouth, but we're in Portsmouth and I'm with this BMW. But yeah, here we are. As you can see, it's a 728, isn't it? 728. 728. Introduce yourself.
My name's Luke, mate.
Luke, yeah.
Polak.
Polak, alright.
Yeah, Polish surname, not the best thing in the world.
Yeah.
Just my crappy Beamer, really.
Crappy, mate. This thing is absolutely sick.
Okay, it's my toy.
Yeah. Yeah.
My toy Beamer. Bought it stupidly cheap. Always wanted one.
Yeah.
Put a shitload of work into it.
Yeah.
Coilovers, wheels, manual conversion, new headlights, everything.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anything you can think of.
And as you can see, it's attention to detail. Like these wheels to start with, it's fucking mental. They got the spins on them. Watch this. Is it this? Yeah. They got the spins on them. These are parking, what are they?
Parking poles.
Parking poles.
I can't see the end of the car. I'm snapping the button seats.
So there you go. 4 exhaust pipes. It was already sounding mean when it pulled in. LED lights. Are these LED lights? LED lights. He's got the chrome bumper edges and that on it, so it's just looking sick, man. Honest to God. The interior, as you can see, sport seats. I mean, gear stick, sweet.
Fast car checks, another one. Pull up and skirt. Fast car checks, we are first. Put it in first. Pull up and burst, whoa. Yo. Fast car checks, another one.
Not another one?
Right, so yeah, we're active with Luke, you know what I mean? Bless up, brother, because this is, again, spontaneous. None of this was fucking planned for sure. Just cruising past. Where was you going?
Literally up Mixed Monster Burgers.
Is there?
Yeah, down the road.
It's got some nice pops and bangs as well, innit?
Yeah. It's not running full power though.
No. So what sort of, so alright, so start with the litre, so it's a 728, yeah?
Yeah, 2.8 straight 6.
Yeah.
The only comment auto, this one's been manual converted.
Yeah.
So I've got a 7 kilo flywheel, stage 2 clutch kit.
Yeah.
Custom made prop shaft. Welded diff in the back.
Yeah.
The old skids now and then.
So a lot of stuff that you've had done to it.
Yeah. I've got 3 litre inlet injectors, all that stuff.
Yeah.
It's all been mapped in, but where I've changed the gearbox is in limp mode.
Yeah.
So it's not running full power, which is bullshit, but it does the job.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it sounds awesome. Straight 6, yeah? Fucking yeah. And how long have you owned this, just out of interest?
8-9 months.
Okay, how are you finding it so far?
It's alright.
And you said, so did you do these parts to it yourself then?
Yeah, I bought it completely stock.
Okay, so you've literally fucking took the whole thing apart and restarted it. Yeah, fair
literally
play.
a whole lot.
These rims on it, they're fucking gangster. Where did you get those from?
I bought them off a guy in Southampton,
Yeah.
second hand.
Yeah.
They were 300 quid, no tyres.
Yeah.
And he thought they were reps, but they're genuine.
Is it?
Yeah, 20-inch CSLs,
Yeah.
HTC 198s, and they're expensive.
Well, yeah, they must be. And I already know how much you paid for this car because he's already told me. But just tell them how much you actually paid for this car originally.
So I paid $850 for it.
Yeah.
Obviously I cut the cats out and we straight piped it.
Yeah.
I've only got
project, you start it and that project don't end, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. That's right.
And the thing is, like, obviously I'm looking at the clock, yeah? It doesn't sound like we're doing what we're doing. That's MPH, yeah?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like we're doing that, so it's like a nice big cruiser, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I built it for mainly shows, but
Yeah.
if you want to go round and round about, you can.
Very houseboat, man. Love it. Love it. So yeah, obviously I'm about to drive now. This feels like fucking space to me right now. So so it's sequential gearbox, yeah?
Normal.
Normal. So
What? So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5.
oh, so it's actually a gearbox.
Yeah, normal gearbox.
But there's no oh, there's a clutch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then to release the fucking
Okay.
release the handbrake.
So if I really can these seats move or no?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Luckily we're similar height. This is like a shuttle, isn't it?
Yeah. Firm.
Yeah. And the steering wheel, nothing moves, right?
Nope.
So this is the driver position.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. That's what I'm over. So how did you change the gearbox then? So you took it somewhere specialist, obviously.
For myself.
You did it?
Yeah.
So you do mechanics or you just...
Yeah, everything you see on this I've done myself.
Yeah.
Every single bit.
Yeah, so there you go. So tell them your Instagram tag first. What's your
E38 Poland.
Okay, so you're in what area? We're in Portsmouth area.
Yeah,
sort of.
Portsmouth Fairham area.
Yeah, this is the guy to get at. If you want something fucking crazy like this is the guy to get at. So how do you do mechanics then for a living?
Yeah.
Fair enough, yeah.
Doing it my whole life.
Yeah. For you, this is life work then, yeah? This is that. Yeah. She does scream, mine, doesn't it? I think it's different when you're in a driver's perspective, because you're kind of in control of the noise that it makes, do you know what I mean?
Not too bad.
So so obviously you say you might go turbo with it, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's something you'll install yourself, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Complete engine rebuild.
Yeah. Fucking it sounds nice though, innit? The speed that we're doing is fucking, it doesn't seem like, it almost seems like it's effortless. Do you know what I mean? Like, you just look at the speed, you're like, oh, we're doing that sort of thing.
Yeah, so the engine's in its original.
Yeah.
Car's on 250,000 miles.
250,000 miles?
Yeah.
Fucking
Engine's
hell.
on the same.
Yeah. And it's still running, yeah?
Yeah.
Perfectly. Wow, I'm driving it now, ain't I?
Yeah, never had any issues with it.
I love that noise, man. The noise is just... You can't get bored of it, innit?
No, you never will.
Yeah, you can't, man. Nah, listen, bro, I appreciate this, man. And he did just say no one's ever drove this before, so...
Yeah, you're the first.
It's a first time for everything, as they say. Yes, man.
Shadow on the
But we're gonna end the video there. We may even get some more footage from this car meet. And yeah, like I said, obviously, yeah, go and give Luke a follow. Fast Car Checks, like and subscribe, as I always say.